Susan here. We're going to do a quick steps on how to prepare your muslin to drape the basic bodice for the front and the back of this dress form, and we're going to do that next on the flat. Okay, let's just prepare the muslin for draping now. And the first thing we're going to do with the muslin is that the salvage, which is this tightly woven part of the fabric that's on both ends of the fabric, we need to get rid of that. That's the first thing we need to do. And how you do that is you just clip a little bit further from it like that, and then you just tear it. Okay, now we're going to cut two pieces 15 inches wide by 24 inches long. Okay, so I've already torn on the salvage up a little bit. I'm going to measure that till I get to 24, like this with the 24, and then as soon as I get to 24, we're going to snip in the opposite direction about 1.5 inches that way, and we're going to tear those two pieces that way. Now 24 inches long, we just need it to be only 15 inches wide. So I'm going to measure over here 15 inches from the lengthwise. This is the lengthwise. I'm going to snip about 1 inch, 1.5 inches this way, and I'm going to tear it. I'm going to tear another piece. Now we're going to press and block these two pieces. What you do is you're going to stretch it on the bias from one point to the other point across to straighten out those fibers. Let's do that on both of them like that. And now I'm going to go to the iron and press them going just with the grain, meaning lengthwise and crosswise only. And I'll be right back. Now that I have both pieces pressed, I have to make sure it's blocked properly, and the way to do that is to take your L square and to check every single corner and just lie it there and see that that is all straight and make sure it's okay. Once that is okay, we can go ahead and do the markings that we need to do to prepare this muslin. The first marking is this will be the center front and this will be the center back. You have to go in 1 inch from the outer edge and pull that grain like this. Draw it in with pencil in the groove just like that, and then press it back underneath, and I'll be right back. I've already turned back that 1 inch on the front and the back and pressed it flat after I pull that grain. And what we're going to do is we're going to do markings from the raw edge, the torn edge. From the torn edge down, you're going to go 4 inches for the center front. We'll do that one first. From there to here, you're going to go 7 inches down. That'll be the bust level, just like that. Then you're going to turn it towards you like this, and you're going to pull that grain. The cross grain is going to be a little tough, right? But you're going to just put your thumb there, and you're going to pull short little increments of pulling that grain, just like that, all the way across. That is your bust level, just like that. After you get that pulled, you want to pencil it in with your ruler and your pencil. Just go right in the groove, just like that. That'll be for your bust level. And after you do that, you want to make sure it's also straight. So you want to take your L square and check it. And it's fine. Okay. On the back, the markings that you have to do. You have 4 inches down from the raw edge, and you have the 16 3/4 from there. From that mark to that mark, down here. Then you take your tape measure and you fold it 16 3/4. You fold it in 4s, just like this. You fold it 2 times. So you get 1/4. 1/4 is 4 inches and a quarter. So 4 inches and a quarter from that first marking here is going to be the back level. So we're going to go 4 1/4 inches down like that. And then you have to pull that grain as well. So you pull it towards you, take your pin and go slow. Just put your thumb there and go in the groove. Just drag the pin right into the groove of the threads of the muslin. Then you fill it in with pencil and your ruler. Okay, those are the major markings for both the center back to prepare to drape and the center front to prepare to drape. So we have those prepared for us right now. Now we can get on the dress form. Okay, now that we prepared the muslin and did all the essential markings on the muslin, we can now get on the dress form and start draping the front and back basic bodice. All right, I hope you enjoyed that lesson and stay tuned for the draping part of it. But meanwhile, prepare your muslin so we can do the next step. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.